Hey, 10th graders. I'm going to get you started on an inquiry project that is what we will use to wrap up our study of Under the Feet of Jesus. Now, what you're looking at right now is a web page made for us by the high school librarian, Miss Hanson. And she's going to work with me as we work through this unit. And she has designed this inquiry project for us. And so I'm going to tell you a little bit about it right now. And I'll follow up with you um, next time I see you. So this project is going to have a number of phases. You'll see the phases across the top here. We're in the open phase where I sort of share with you kind of where we're headed. You'll see the phases along the side here as well. It kind of describes them a little bit more. You'll see some learning goals. And basically this is a description of what we're going to do. So one of the things that's really important to us is that not only do you think about Under the Feet of Jesus, but you also think about the process of inquiry. Because what you do when you are trying to learn something new is really important, and we want to teach you a bit about what your options are. Over the course of this unit, we're going to have you create a product, and that product should really do two things. It should show some evolution of your thought, and it should also make a connection between Under the Feet of Jesus and some of the texts that you encounter through this exercise. So the phase that we're going to enter into is this immerse phase, and in the immersion phase, you're going to do a few things. You're going to read an article by this guy, Ralph Nader, okay? And you'll see some instructions over here on the right. After you read that article, you're going to complete a journal prompt on Google Classroom. I'll show you what that's going to look like. This is our inquiry journal. And over the course of the remainder of the unit, you'll use this journal as a place to show us what you've come away with. So the first journal prompts that you're going to respond to are these. So that's what this part references on the website. In addition to the journal prompt, we'd like you to start a Noodle Tools project, and we'd like you to name it. We'd like you to create this project called Inquiry Project and share it to the right class, basically. The project inbox for D block, or the project inbox for E block, or the project inbox for H block. If I see you on Mondays and Tuesdays, you're in my D block class. And if I see you on Thursdays and Fridays, you're either in H or E. So you'll see some instructions on this page. And if you were to click on this article that takes you to Migrant Workers and America's Harvest of Shame, it would look like this. And you'll see some stuff here in the blue. This is commentary about the context. And then the article itself is down here. So what we'd like you to do is to read this article and click around and see what happens when you click on various things. One of the things to keep track of is whether when you make a click, whether it opens a new tab or whether you stay on the same tab, because that'll help keep you grounded. Okay, I'm trying to think of if there's anything else I need to let you know right now. I don't think so. So you'll see the assignments here. They'll also be reflected on Google Classroom. And I look forward to seeing you next time.